In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an album page on Squarespace, whether you're showcasing your latest photography project, a portfolio of artwork, or a collection of memorable moments. Setting up an album page on Squarespace can beautifully display your visuals with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Pages panel. This is your starting point. So head over to your Squarespace website and navigate to the Pages section. You can do this by clicking on Website in the main menu, then selecting Pages. This area is essentially the backbone of your site, where you can manage all the pages you've created or plan to create. Once you're in the Pages panel, it's time to add a section to the page where you want to display your album. Click Edit on the specific page you have in mind. This will open up the editing interface, allowing you to make changes to that page. In the editor, you'll see an option to add section. Go ahead and click this button. Adding a new section is a fundamental step as it provides the space you need to showcase your album content effectively. Now it's time to select the gallery layout that best suits your album style. You'll be presented with different layout options: grid, strips, or masonry. Each layout offers a unique way to present your images. The grid layout is great for a clean, uniform look. The strips layout gives each image a bit more room to breathe, providing a more dynamic presentation. And if you're looking for an eclectic or artistic feel, the masonry layout is a perfect choice. Take a moment to consider what best represents your vision before making your selection. With your layout chosen, the next step is all about uploading your content. In the gallery section, you'll notice an image icon. Click on this icon to start uploading your photos. This part is where your creativity shines through. You can select multiple images at once, making it easy to upload your entire album quickly. Be sure to organize your photos in the sequence you want them to appear, as this will help in telling the story or theme you're aiming for. As you upload your photos, Squarespace will automatically adjust them to fit the chosen layout, ensuring a cohesive and professional look. If you need to make any adjustments, such as reordering images or changing captions, you can do so directly in the gallery editor. This flexibility allows you to refine your album until it perfectly matches your vision. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an album page on Squarespace. Remember to preview your page to see how it looks live and make any final tweaks if necessary. Creating an album page on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance how you display your visual content. Thanks for watching and happy creating.